Hello everybody, my name's Bill and I am the Drunken Sailor and you're at my cocktail channel, the Drunken Sailor Cocktails. This is the place we make fun, exciting cocktails. Today's cocktail is simple and easy to make. 3 ingredients, it's all equal quantities, and you've seen a version of it before and it's called a Negroni, but we're not making a Negroni. This one comes from the Hotel Excelsior in Rome. It dates back almost 75 years, and this one was made for a visiting cardinal who was on his way to the Vatican. Today's cocktail is called the Cardinal. So, have a seat at the bar. If you have not hit the subscribe button, leave us a comment and let us know, because this cocktail is going to make a powerful impact on your palate. Let's get pouring. Today we're using dry vermouth. We're not using the sweet that goes in the Negroni. So our first ingredient going in there is our dry vermouth. We're going to use 1.5 ounces. It's all equal parts, so you can make this to tailor to the size of your glass. We're going to follow that up with Campari. And once again, filled with flavors. Very bold, it's a bittersweet orange flavor with a lot of herbs going in there. 1.5 ounces. It's going to give it a great red color, almost the color of a cardinal's garbs. Our third and final ingredient in there is gin. We're using a London Dry Tanqueray, 1.5 ounces. That's everything that needs to go into this glass. Well, we want to make it cold. We're stirring this cocktail today because there are no fruit juices in there. Typically, if it's all liquors, you're going to use a mixing glass with a spoon as compared to shaking a cocktail that has got fruit in it. So now we're just going to give this a stir. We're going to make that nice and cold. You want to probably give it around 30, 40 spins around the glass. That's usually enough to make it cold. They go together really fast, really simple. And I think we're finally there. Now what I've got to do is we've got to pour this sucker into a glass. Now, a lot of times with a Negroni, you'll put it in an old-fashioned glass and you pour it over 1 large ice cube. But I got to give my wife credit today. She found some absolutely beautiful glasses. The only word I can use for these things is sexy. They're just plain old sexy glasses. So the only word I can use, elegant. Elegant. I think they're sexy. She says they're elegant, but put one of these in it and it's just plain sexy. Now, we've got ice water in there chilling. We're going to get rid of that. And now we pour. We're going to use a julep strainer. We just want to keep the ice out of there. We don't want to dilute it anymore. And we just pour. Got a beautiful color to it. One last step, we're going to garnish. And for that, we've got an absolutely amazing orange peel that goes on there. It's going to complement those orange flavors in the Campari. And there we go with today's cocktail, the Cardinal. Let's give this a taste and see how we like it. Right off the bat, you've got Campari. It's bittersweet. So it's a very, very powerful flavor that's hitting your palate there. If you like Campari, you're going to love this one. If you don't, you'd be questionable. But give it a taste. Let it sit on your tongue a little bit. You're going to feel that bittersweet right up front. The mouthfeel to this one is a little bit smoother, softer than a Negroni. And that's coming from a dry vermouth versus a sweet vermouth. It's an interesting cocktail, and it's one we'll have again. Cheers, everybody. We'll see you at the next cocktail.